Hi, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your washing machine makes noise when filling with water and simple ways to fix it. Now, let's get started. Damaged or loose water pipes often cause a noise in your washing machine when filling it with water. Contact a professional to check and repair your plumbing. The noise can also be as a result of too much water pressure. If it is a whistling noise, the water valve may be too tight, resulting in high water pressure. Check the hot and cold water valves, and if they're too tight, loosen them. Check for blockages in the water valve screens. The screen filtering water may be clogged, causing a high squeaking sound. Locate the water valve near the hose after removing the back panel of the washer. Loosen the hose and let it hang out so the water can run off. Gently remove the screens inside the valve with a screwdriver or pliers. Clean it using a dry cloth or paper towel. Check for a loose door seal. A loose door seal can hit the drum inside, producing a noise. If the seal is not damaged, it'll fit securely on the door. If it is damaged, replace it. Worn-out shock absorbers can also cause a noise when filling the washer with water. If the shock absorbers are old, the washer won't be steady when filling with water, causing a noise. If this is the case, it has to be replaced. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.